Normally the CPU cooling fan comes as a part of heatsink assembly, which is a metal part drawing heat from the CPU chip. Some laptops have a dedicated GPU, that is graphics processing unit fan, which cools down the GPU chip. This cooling fan connects directly to the motherboard via a cable running from the fan. You all must know what is a keyboard. It is a device which uses an arrangement of buttons or keys which act as electronic switches. When we press keys on keyboard, then those instruction goes to CPU. Hence, laptop is an input device and it is user interface. A keyboard is also used to give commands to the operating system of a laptop. What is a hard disk? A hard disk drive is a device where P-rating system program files and personal files are stored. A hard disk drive retains its data even when powered off. Data is read in a random access manner, meaning individual blocks of data can be stored or retrieved in any order rather than the sequential. Laptop hard drive are available in two sizes, that is 60mm and 46mm, and thinner than desktop hard drives. HDDs are expected to remain in the domain medium for secondary storage due to predictable continuing advantage in recording capacity, price per unit of the storage and write latency, and the product lifetime. Now, what is a hard drive? A hard drive is a device where program files and personal files are stored. A hard disk drive retains its data even when powered off. Data is read in a random access manner, means that individual blocks of data can be stored in any order rather than sequentially. Laptop hard drive are available in two sizes. These are in 60mm and 46mm and are thinner than a desktop hardware drive. HDD are expected to remain the dominant medium for secondary storage due to advantages in recording capacity, price per unit storage, write latency and product lifetime. The LCD cable is that cable which connects the motherboard to the LCD screen so that data can be transferred from the motherboard and video card to the screen. LCD cables is also connect and provide high voltage DC power to the inverter board and data is transferred by it to the screen. What is a webcam? Webcam is one of the advanced features now available in today's laptop. A webcam is a video camera that feeds its images in real time or through a computer laptop to a computer network. You can see a web camera located on the top of the display panel. Few people has an idea that web camera is a part of LCD screen, but it is not. The web camera is a separate module which is raised inside the display panel above the LCD screen. You can separately buy it and can attach on screen. What is a graphic card? Graphic card is a video card or VGA board in a laptop which is accountable for creating images on a laptop screen. It is a part of motherboard. If some problem occurs in graphic card, it is essential to replace it and we cannot repair it again. Discrete graphic card can be removed and in few cases they are ungradable. In low mid-range laptop, the graphic card is integrated into motherboard. It is a part of motherboard only. If this is the case, the graphic card is not removable and upgradable. Discrete graphic card is found in high-range models and high-end gaming laptops. What is the audio board? Audio board is used to allow the laptop to input, process and output sound. Thus it enables you to get mixture of digital and analog signals. In most laptops, the audio board, also known as soundboard, which is integrated into motherboard. If audio board fails, you have to replace the whole motherboard. A power adapter is also called as power supply or power brick, which convert the high voltage AC power from a wall outlet into the low voltage DC power needed for your laptop. There are some points you need to keep in mind while buying a new adapter. Your new adapter must have precisely the same plug as the original one. Your new adapter must output accurately the same voltage as the original one. And polarity of the new adapter plug must be similar as one of the original one. These are some points you need to keep in your mind. What is a motherboard? A motherboard is the board that all internal laptop components are connected to. Because all the components of a computer are related to the motherboard, it allows them to correspond with each other through the motherboard. A laptop motherboard are used as ungradable because many components like video and audio are incorporated into the motherboard, and they may have no development slots available at all. Motherboard of laptop and computer are different. What is a touchpad? A touchpad is a pointing device featuring a perceptible sensor and a particular surface that can decode the motion and position of a user's finger to a relative position on the operating system that is outputted to the screen. A touchpad is close to keyboard and only a finger movement is required to move the cursor across the display screen. This also makes it possible for user palm and wrist to move the mouse cursor accidentally while typing. It is also called as trackpad. Hope you have gained the knowledge of these components which help in their identification while repairing. Thank you.